It's pretty dirty, huh? Soccer puck.
Thai look good. Very so.
Yeah, I think they're gonna clean it outside. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Huh? Soccer puck. The water goes there in the bucket.
This is fan blow.
Huh?
Fan blow.
Long time not clean, huh?
Yes.
After how many months you have to clean again? 2 months? 3 months?
6 months.
6 months, okay.
Sometimes
Yeah.
8 months.
Yeah. But this one not cleaned for 1 year?
Yes, I think 1 year.
Maybe 2 years.
โอเคครับ
Assembling is more difficult. Huh?
Yeah, this small place.
Small place also, yeah.
Don't have space from
Yeah. Because it's inside the hole, yeah.
cannot see up there.
Yeah, you cannot see up. Almost like new, huh? how much you ask for cleaning only, without gas?
This one
2,000.
400 baht.
400 baht. Oh, it's a good price, huh? And if you put in gas, how much?
Gas about have to measure how less.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have to put to full.
About 1,000 baht or
Less than 1,000.
less than 1,000. Oh, it's a good price.
This
huh?
gas number 22. So.
But this don't need another gas, eh? Gas is enough with this one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 400 baht. That's a cheap price. So guys, if you need your air conditioning done, you have to call Napa Air Service. Yeah. Yeah, for 400 baht and you have a clean air conditioning. Very important, huh? So you don't get sick. Yeah, it took only like 30 minutes maybe, huh? Very fast.
30 sub.
14. Yeah, yeah. So we have Edward Sweeney here. Yeah, I'm really happy he's coming now. But maybe we're gonna talk outside so we can have a little chat. Yeah?
We'll see if I can get it past the sensor.
Edward, I'm very honored to meet you.
I'm honored to meet you too. He's my last. I'm going to do a live stream also, but it won't be clashing with Steff.
Quiet.
Yeah, but the hell, mate. You know, gotta give it a try, can't I?
I can't do one this night because I just uploaded a new video today about Chummy Bar here.
It's such a good little live band. Yes, there's so many great live bands.
Yeah, they have a new singer here now and everything.
The most underrated thing about Thailand is the live bands. Like I was just saying to, Steff's friend there.
Yeah, I agree with
There
that.
are people back in the UK who've never been here. They think it's all about sex tours and lady boys and all this kind of stuff.
No.
And they don't realise that Thailand is one of the best countries that I've ever visited for live music.
Yeah, me too.
If you like live bands, you're a spoiled for choice here.
Yeah, it's more than sex and everything. And
That's